There's one final refinement we would like to make to our application, and that is we want to handle cases where a user tries to navigate to a route that doesn't exist. So currently, if a user tries to do that, nothing appears. They get the header and the nav bar, but that's it. We would like a nice little message to appear that says, sorry, this route doesn't exist, and then a link to take them back to say the root route. To do this, what we can do is create a component, and it'll be called page not found. So we'll put it in src slash components slash page not found dot jsx, and I'll just copy and paste it. There's really nothing special about this component at all. It's just got some text. That's it right now. We'll put a link in later. Nothing fancy about it. And we'll create the CSS file. As we have done with all of our other routes, we'll import it. All of our other components, sorry. We'll import it into app.jsx. And we're going to create a route for it. So it's going to be a new route, but we're going to specify the path as a star and then specify the page not found component. Now what this path of star indicates is it's a wildcard, a catch-all. So anything that is not matched here will be matched by this star path. But let's put it down at the bottom of our routes. In some situations, this can be important, and I'll have to adjust this bit of code so that it comes last here. In some cases, it won't make a difference, but in other cases, you might wind up with situations where this match will happen first before an appropriate match found here, so it's best to keep it at the end. Now, open the browser, refresh the page, try to navigate to some non-existent route, and we get our 404 page. Great. Try navigating to the other routes that we have, and it all works. But now try and navigate to a nested route that doesn't exist, and we get the 404 page. So that's perfect there. Now finally, we have one more small practice task. Give it a try on your own, and then I'll show you how. So here we just need a link tag. We're going to add a link tag to the 404 page, to the page not found component, and we want it to take us back to the website's root. So this is not hard. We need a link tag, and we need to import the link tag from React Router DOM. We'll give it some text like go home or something. And we need a to attribute, right? We need a to attribute. And where do we need to send them to? We want to send them back to the website's root. Now if we return to the browser, we see that there is a link in our 404 page, and clicking it takes us to the root of the website.